Yep.
Okay, so our capstone was called SmartKit, and it was supposed to be sort of like a e-commerce website model thing. And yeah, so SmartKit is an online marketplace where users can buy and sell items. Every user who wants to operate it needs to have a SmartKit account. Users can then log in to browse available listings and buy items, but also list items themselves. So I think it's more, just to give a reference, it's more similar to something like eBay than like Amazon, where like users list things and then other users will come and browse and then buy them. Halid, do you want to do this slide?
Okay, so the tech stack that we use for the front end is HTML, CSS, React, and mostly JavaScript, and Netlify for the deployment. And also the back end, we use Express framework. We use SQLize ORM to like interface with Postgres, which is our database management tool. And we also use Heroku for the deployment. I just want to start by saying that we actually spent, can you go to the next slide?
Yes, sure.
So we actually spent a lot of time on the back end because we have like 6 tables.
Oh, sorry, sorry.
Managing to like get the association work with the table was something really time consuming for us. So we have 6 tables. We have the item, which is the main table. We have the order table. We have the user. We have the feedback. We have the category, and we have the purchase card. The main feature of our app is like user can just go online. They can log in first. If the user doesn't have an account, they'll have to sign up. After they sign up, they can just they can buy item. They can also post item to sell, and it will just add it to the listing that we have available in the database. So next slide, please.
Yep, of course.
Okay, this is our sign up page. This is what it looks like. The user sign up with the username and the password. If they do not have it, they'll just click sign up. This is our sign-in page. Sorry. The user can log in with the username and the password. If they don't have an account, they will just sign up using the next slides.
Okay.
Which is like this, our sign up page. So the user have to enter all this information. I just want to mention that we didn't get to do the password encryption with passports because of the limited time that we have, but we are really looking forward to like implement that.
Yeah, there's a lot of features that unfortunately we didn't get a chance to sort of finalize, but yeah, that's one of them. Yeah, encryption and whatnot.
Okay, so for every user, after they log in, they can look at their profile and have their information there. This is basically what the profile page looks like. Also, the user can search an item, like there is a search bar there that says cat. The user can just type cat and just search an item, and it will just pop everything that has to do with cat up there with the price. You want to go with this one, or you want to?
No, I can do it. So yeah, so struggles and achievements. We did all the. I think maybe we could have taken AJ's advice a little bit more from the beginning, where like I think the approach we had was just to finish the back end, like do everything, including our stretch features. And we, I think just didn't leave ourselves enough time to finalize everything on the front end. Maybe we should have just had like a smaller MVP, but I mean, we plan on finishing everything after this, but just we didn't get to a couple things. Yeah, so things like our CSS could, be improved on. And yeah, so things like, better design, password encryption we didn't get to do, item bidding we wanted to do. We also wanted to do, we were planning on making it so users could leave reviews for things. Like we had and we set this all up in our backend, but we just didn't have time to implement it. We wanted to, you know, user could leave a rating, like, you know, 4 or 5 stars on items, and then like leave a little description of, you know, what their thoughts were on the product. But yeah, we just didn't get to do that. So
Okay, so I
yeah,
just wanna, sorry, Brian. So I
okay.
just wanna make I just wanna stress this. We are really looking forward to the item bidding. So it's basically a feature that will like let user post item and other user can actually bid for the item. So I just wanna precise that we're actually looking forward to that. And
Yeah,
also the donation page. We are going through really rough time now. And we actually, it's true, it's a business that we are implementing. So we actually want to have the user being able to like donate to charities of their choice also.
Okay. And that's it for the slides, but I can show you guys a little demo of what we had. Let me do a new share. Okay, sweet. So, okay, let me back it up. Can you guys see the video?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Let me make it full screen. So this is just us going through some features. When you open up to the when you refresh the home page, it gives you like a random selection of different items that we have. And you know, for right now, it's just sort of like dummy data, but yes, and then sign up here. I think here, like, I just wanted to show that you can't, if you mess up the password, it will, you know, you have to make sure that the password and the re-enter password match, or they it won't go through. Also, I'm a Sopranos fan, so I did made an account for Tony Soprano. I also think we might have a few more features since I've taken this video, but yeah, see, so password and confirm password does not match. I have to re-enter a username. Okay, and so now you can browse things. Oh, also, yeah, you have to, I made the account, but I had to log in. So that was something maybe we wanted, so that after you make your account, you know, you don't have to log in at that time. But you can log in and you can look at items. You can click on things specifically. Like I looked at a beanie.
So this is a feature that we want to add to the purchase cart. We have a purchase cart table that we want to implement as well.
And this is where you could add items if you want a feedback list. Yeah, see, it's a little rough around the edges as far as the front end goes. But yeah, that's if you want to add something, shopping cart. So that's pretty much it. But yeah, thank you guys.
Make sure to check out the My Career tab on the BC Navigator app, where you can track your career progress based on the amount of credits you've earned, stay updated on upcoming events from the Magner Center, and watch our videos for insight and advice on your career field.